So at the top, you can see the current time here in the Philippines. So this is Bitcoin and US dollar price watcher project. Hi, I will be sharing another one of my projects. These projects are mostly running all the time. So this project uses a 20 by LCD module, a switch to power it on, and a power cord to a USB-A for the power source. This project can be run using a power bank to make it portable, or through a power socket on the wall for the 24 hours usage. So turning it on, so at the top you can see the current time here in the Philippines. It's 9:15 p.m. And then second row, you can see US dollars to Philippine peso conversion. This is a live feed every 10 seconds. So you can see here the live updates on the current US dollar to peso conversion. So it's 58.4 pesos. And then the third row is the Bitcoin price to Philippine peso. It's currently at 4,200,000 plus. So